Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, I will show you how to create customized AI workflows using Gemini 2.0 APIs. Whether you're automating tasks or integrating AI into your existing systems, Gemini's APIs make it easy to build powerful customized workflows. Let's dive in with an example. So first, go over to your Gemini 2.0, right? And Gemini offers various endpoints such as text generation, data analysis, and chatbot support for building AI-driven chatbots for customer supports. Next, define your custom workflow, right? If you want, for example, this example, let's say you want to create customized AI workflow that automates generating products descriptions for e-commerce site. So we're gonna type, for example, we need to type, for example, I want to create customized workflow, AI workflow flows that automates generating product description for an e-commerce site, right? You want Gemini 2.0 to analyze product data, right? Analyze product data, right? Name, feature, specifications, right? Generate creative product descriptions, right? And automatically, automatically upload the description to your content management system or CMS. Right? And we're gonna type hypothetical to create an example. And gonna hit enter, right? And gonna see right here that hypothetical example, right here, models like GPT-3, Bard, or Excel, right? And gonna see right here the results. Example: blue cotton t-shirt, AI generate description, stylish and comfortable blue button, long form experience, ultimate comfort with the soft and breathable blue cotton t-shirt, right? And this the descriptions are automatically added to the product page in the e-commerce platform after you upload the CMS, right? And you're gonna see the important considerations: ensure compliance with the data privacy regulations, train the AI model to maintain consistent brand voice and tone, and always maintain human oversight to ensure quality and address any unexpected issues, right? And set up the UBI access, right? And you can just type right here in the website, make an API, right? Call to authenticate, right? And get session, right? Example, Python. Example. Okay, hit enter. You're gonna see right here coding, right? Once authenticated, you need to send your product data for Gemini analysis and content generations. For example, send product data as input to the text generation API, right? Send product data as input to the text generation API. Example. Hit enter. You're gonna see the order right here. Command, sorry. And basically, now that you have generated a product description, you can automatically upload it to your CMS, right? You can use the CMS, right? CMS API to upload descriptions to your website. Example. Okay, hit enter. As you can see right here, and monitor and optimize. Once the workflow is set up, you can monitor its performance and optimize it based on your feedback you receive from the CMS. You can copy it from right here, copy it to clipboard and paste it to your CMS. Okay, for example, if you notice that the description are too short or need more details, you can adjust the parameters or provide additional context when sending the input to Gemini's API, right? You can see it right here. Send products data as input to that text generation API, and you're gonna type that description. And that's how you could create customized AI workflows using Gemini 2.0 APIs. With the setup, you can automate product description generation and improve efficiency, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your business. Try it out for your own tasks and let me know in the comments how Gemini 2.0 helps you streamline your workflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Catch you up later.